Okay, so let me get started now. So in this episode, the backend and data for the backend and data engineering series, episode two, we are gonna start installing the backend essentials. Introduction. Welcome back to the backend and data engineering series. In this episode, we are installing the essential tools that will serve as the foundation for our backend development projects. By the end of this section, we will have the following tools set up and ready for action. PostgreSQL for relational database management, MongoDB for NoSQL databases, Git for version control, JDK 21 to build and run Java applications, IntelliJ IDEA for Java development, Visual Studio Code for viewing and analyzing log files, and other light tasks. So let's dive in. Okay, step one, installing Postgres. Postgres is a powerful relational database system we will use to manage structured data. Let's get started with the installation. I might just go here and just do it. If I get stuck, I'm going to get back to this. So the usual is basically you get to this page, select the operating system. We're going to try to install the latest one. So download installer. So our operating system is Windows. I got a 64-bit version, so I will use that. So go to my downloads, save it, still going. We just click next. I mean, you could go reading about that but for our case, we just click next. Data directory also next. Existing data directory. Yeah, they found that I had already installed this, so it found that I had existing directory. This directory and its configuration will be used for this installation. Yeah, that's fine. Uh, the installation summary. Okay, let's go. Ready to install. So let's go ahead. Okay, shut down. So I think we had it, but I actually had to install it for for starting this series. PG admin. Oh, we don't have it. So it should be good. We're gonna wait for now. Oh, wait, let me look at the steps. That's what we did on run the installer and follow these steps. Use a different installation directory, set up a username, default Postgres, and password. Make sure to remember this. Ensure pgadmin is selected during installation. Yeah, it was selected. After installation, open pgadmin and log in with your credentials. Create a new database named sprint_demo. So I'm practically, I cannot set this up, this course, with the help of ChatGPT. Yeah, but I'm learning along at the same time. I guess some parts I'm going to be learning along, some things I have already done. So I will be using ChatGPT like to give us the answers and to give us that content for this course. Well, this is going to take a while, so maybe while we do that, let me go to the next one. Okay, so the next one is install MongoDB. MongoDB is a NoSQL database that's great for handling flexible and unstructured data. Here is how to install it. So we got download MongoDB community server from, okay, let's go there. So we're gonna download the server version. So here's this Windows version. The current version is that one. And that's the good package. So download. Yeah. So that's going. So did we click download? Yeah, it should be finished. Not yet. Now it's good. We're gonna install everything completely. I'm just gonna leave this as default. Install MongoDB as a service. Run service as network service user. So we just leave the default. The Mongo Compass, yes, that's the user interface we're gonna use to manage the MongoDB database. Just install it. So it's almost done. The MongoDB is fast. It's going faster. Okay, so these are going. Let's see what's next ahead. She's installing Git. Now we'll install Git, which is essential for version control. It will help us manage our code and collaborate on projects. Go to, okay. Once you're in this page, just click download for Windows. Click here to download latest. Then you're saving to your downloads. So let's open it up. So yeah, we just get the license. Click next. Installation folder. It already existed before, but I had removed it. I don't know. I mean, I guess the folder is still there, so let's install it there anyway. We just leave the default. Yeah, leave the default as well. Yeah, create a start menu folder. Why not? Use bin. I'm gonna use this one. Use Visual Studio Code as Git's default editor. We were gonna do this course, actually showed how to install this. So I guess we're gonna do this as well. But let me go check first the databases if they got complete. Still. So if we go back to Visual Studio Code, let's download it for Windows. Downloads. Wow, that was quick. It's lightweight. So I set the agreement. Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code. Why not? Open with code. Yeah, why not? Let's add those options. Mm, Install. Just to finish. So it open up this terminal or this window. I already have some files there. Let me exit this out. Mainly, that's what I'm gonna be using. I'm not. We're gonna use IntelliJ for development. Uh, yeah, most of the time. Okay, so what else do we need? Okay, so this is still going. So go back to Git. Now we have that. It should work, right? Does not allow me to select it. Okay, for now, let's leave it like that for now. You get the side. So we could rename any of this one. You could leave it. The Git project intends to change this default to a more exclusive name in the near future. It will go to master, let Git decide, or we could override it as main, it's fine. You could override and leave it as main. Use Git from Git bash only. Git from command line and also from third-party software. Yeah, that's what we want. That's okay. This is fine. Leave the default. I'm not gonna bother with that. The cow and stuff, yeah. Fast forward and merge. Fast forward the current branch to the fetched branch when possible. Otherwise, create a merge commit. Rebase. Uh, let's leave it as default. And next, we're gonna. I mean, for now, it's not. You could go and read. And if it makes sense to you, I guess we could go. But I'm just not make too many changes. And then I guess it doesn't make a difference. All we need is the commands for GitHub. I think. Oh, but open here. Yeah, this is the terminal. I just listed all the folders. So we have git install. That's one that is done. Let me exit that out for now. And MongoDB just finished. So this is the compass, and it has a local host connection. Let's click connect. You see connected. These are the databases. Right. So let's go read the section of Postgres to see if it says something like that. Okay, so it said download MongoDB, install MongoDB with the default settings, open the terminal and type the following to verify installation. Let's open CMDB. Oh, it's not recognized. Which terminal are they talking about? This is starting, right? Let's see. It came up. We'll verify why. Okay. What's these other connections? Let me try. Seems like it's fine, but where do we check this terminal? Let me just ask the question. Which terminal? I'm trying CMD and Mongo command. It's not working. Can I fix it? Silence the image. Oh, move mouse. Mouse Mongo. Oh, let's go down. Question, okay. For example, okay, so we had to, I'm gonna delete this one because I think that's previous one. That's probably what happened. Now we got the latest version. Yeah, let's delete this one. Okay, so now we go in, for example, here we need, do we have this Mongo's? So now let us click. Let's see, Mongo. Oh, still not working. Stop. It's, I mean, this is not coming out. It means it's not working. It's gonna fail, so we're gonna have to fix it. That's what I'm thinking. Okay. Oh, maybe the path. Okay. Add the Mongo. Set two. Okay, we have more steps. Okay. Add MongoDB to the system path. Okay. So let's check environment variables. I assume. So we do environment variables. And environment variables. Open start menu. No, we did that already. Search some other steps, but we're already here. And under system variables, just right here, find and select the path variable, then click edit. We already had the path variable. Click edit. We click new and the full path to the bin directory. Okay, so what do we have an existing Mongo path here? Yes, this is the correct one though. In our case, we don't need to add a new one. We're just gonna edit. So the new path for this one is gonna be an 8 here. And we can put this down. It's okay. Now, this didn't copy the path, but anyways, so now, so we save the changes, restart the terminal. Version still didn't recognize it. Did I miss something? Yeah, I need to restart for the environment borrow. I don't know. I'm not sure. I don't. So let me go confirm again the path. So path. So that one and so the path. I'm gonna copy all of this. It does takes us here, right? And then here expecting this ones. It's still not working. Okay, we could try this one. We didn't try that one, right? No. So Mongo and Mongo's not working. Okay. One or both are not working. I guess I might just reinstall. That's what I might just do. Wow. See, that's what they suggested too. Open the file explorer, navigate there, look for the folder corresponding to the version of Mongo. Installation is to say 6 or other. Open the bin folder inside it. Check if the following files exist. Yes, they both exist. Oh, no, no, yeah, the Mongo one doesn't exist, only the Mongosh. If the folder in these files exists, it means Mongo wasn't installed correctly. If the folder or these files, yeah, they do exist. Proceed to. Mhm. Let's just do that. Just gonna leave that at there. Let me go back to the downloads. We'll complete again. Leave that as default into Mongo Compass. Not gonna do it because I already did. We already have it. And click install. We go from here. I forgot. Program files. Mongo. Server. 2.8. New files, okay. Right, let's see while that's going. What happened with the other ones? This one is done. I don't want to click on that. Setup has finished installing PostgreSQL to my to on your computer. So finish. So let's get back to that while this installs. Oh, it's done. Mongo is done. Mongo, English, Mongo, coming up, restore. I will restore at the end. I will have that one pending. Mm, it's fine. want to remove that, and I'm going to remove the entire application. I'm going to install everything that is from Mongo, and I'm delete even the folder if it is there. Is that? Working on it. This is but need it. Some deletes. This should be good. I'm gonna pause for now, but I'll be right back, and we'll continue with the other part. How can I pause? There's no pausing for this.